Hello everyone, welcome to Saptapadi Vivaha. Whenever I meet clients regarding matrimonial registration, especially when parents are dealing, I ask them a very basic question. Have you taken permission from your son or daughter before registering their matrimonial profile? And their reaction is like, what are you asking, madam? Of course we want my son or daughter to get married, hence initiating the procedure. I remind them again. Are they aware that you have started matrimonial search for them? And most of the parents get confused or irritated with my question. I'll tell you why I ask these questions. Before that, let me tell you about one incident happened around 4 years back. Mr. Joshi came to my office. He looked very upset and angry. I asked him, what's the matter? He said, Ritesh, my son, he'll turn 27 this year, so thought this is the right time to start with his matrimonial search. When I told him about this, he took it lightly and said, we'll see. Mr. Joshi, I should call most enthusiastic Mr. Joshi, started with his mission daughter-in-law very seriously. After 3 months, he met Mr. Kulkarni and his daughter Parinita. And without giving any intimation to Ritesh, he invited them to his house for an official meeting. When Ritesh got to know about this, he became very upset and father and son had a big fight. The matter was not just about their meeting. The real fact was Ritesh liked someone from his office and they were still understanding each other, and that's the reason he did not disclose about it to his father. It became the toughest task for Mr. Joshi to face Mr. Kulkarni. But somehow he managed to reveal the truth, but he had to listen to few bitter words from Mr. Kulkarni. Why I am telling you this story is, despite modern dating culture, love marriages, arranged marriage still remains the first choice in many Indian families. And that's the reason parents are an integral part of all this matrimonial process. We all know searching for the right life partner has become the biggest task. So parents, don't you think before you start with this tough work, you need to be very sure about your son or your daughter. Don't hurry with some predefined thoughts that I know my son, I know my daughter very well, my choice is their choice. That's not going to happen. This generation is very different. Their priorities, their choices are very firm and rigid. They're quite independent. Parents, it's your turn to change your perspective as per changing culture. Please think over it. Thank you.